Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to use split screen on any iPhone. So how to use split screen on any iPhone? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So you have first of all a split screen app on your iPhone must be installed from App Store. So then you have open the App Store. Then you have 2 or 3 seconds wait, and then you have a search button. You have click here and then you have search the split screen. So then you have search the split screen. So then you have seen my iPhone screen. Then second option is split screen. Then you have download on your iPhone. So then you have preview on your iPhone split screen for several tasks. Then second, watch video while browsing social network. So then third, two webcast at the same time. Then you have one webcast. Then you have YouTube. Second, you have Google or any website you have open from these apps. So then you have how to use split screen. So then you have open the split screen app. When you seen your iPhone screen to webcast, so you have first I have open the YouTube, and then you have second screen I have open the Google. Then you have seen my iPhone is, then you have two webcast. So then first on YouTube, then second I will Google on the my iPhone screen. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.